Kuhlwile mthwakazo omuhle silamukela njalo kwesinye isiqephu sethu sezindaba ngomsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio. Namhla kungoLwesithathu 4 kuNhlangula ngomnyaka ka-2025. Indaba lizetshulelwa ngikhethiwe Chuma. Kwesigijima phambili namhlanje, izizalwane zaseZimbabwe eziphila ngaphandle kwelizwe sezicele umongameli wase-United Kingdom ukuba avimbe u-Auxillium Mnangagwa ukuba angangeni elizweni lase-United Kingdom. Okuza kwesibili, izakhamizi sezilungele njalo ukwamukela umongameli uChamisa. Ingcweshi ziphawula ngesinqumo se-Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe ukuba silethe enye imali ye-ZIG. Nanzi indaba zethu ngokugcweleyo. Izizalwane zaseZimbabwe eziphila zise-United Kingdom zivela kumabandla ezepolitiki ashiyeneyo lezinhlanganiso ezilwela amalungelo abantu namhlanje ziye zabhala incwadi kumongameli wase-United Kingdom emahofisini akhe kunumber 10 Downing Street, lapho abacele khona ukuba leli lizwe livimbe umkaMnangagwa u-Auxillium ukuze angabi ingxenye yomhlangano we-Flare Summit okhangelelwe ukuba uthathe indawo mhla zili-10 Shakalombili kuyona le nyanga ozakwenzelwa ePark Hyatt Hotel kwalaseLondon. Laba bantu abangaphila ngaphandle kwelizwe bathi umkaMnangagwa ungomunye wabantu abahlukumezayo amalungelo abantu, kanti njalo uhamba phambili kwezenkohlakalo elizweni leZimbabwe, njalo akumelanga ahlanganele kulolo umhlangano. Ibandla eliphikisayo belokho lizigudumeza likhangelelwe ukuphenduka kukamongameli uNelson Chamisa kwezepolitiki ngemva kokuba ethethe umnyaka wonke ephumula. Umsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio uye waxoxisana labantu ukuzwa imbono yabo mayelana lokuphenduka kukamongameli uChamisa. Izakhamizi eziningi esixoxisane lazo ziveze ukuthaba kakhulu ngokuphenduka kukamongameli uChamisa, abaningi abathe unguye isisombululo sezomnotho ezibhekane lelizwe laseZimbabwe. Ake sizweni izakhamizi zikhuluma.
Salibonani ma citizen. Sibonge laphana ngokuza kukamongameli wabantu uPresident Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Njengabahlali siyabonga kakhulu, siyakuthakazelela ukuza kukamongameli wabantu ngemva kokuthatha isinqumo ku-2024 esebona ibandla selithethwe iziganane wachiya. Siyabonga lokho esithembisa ukuthi uzoza ngokushesha. Siyabonga.
Hello Zimbabwe, I am Langton Mwanaka, an ex-political prisoner. Advocate Nelson Chamisa is the only leader who can lead our beloved country, Zimbabwe, because he possesses the following leadership qualities. Number 1, he is visionary. He has a clear and compelling vision for Zimbabwe's future. Number 2, integrity. He has strong moral principles, ethics, and honesty. Number 3, apathy. He understands and relates to the needs and concerns of citizens. Number 4, collaboration. He builds strong relationships with stakeholders, including us citizens, businesses, and international partners. Number 5, inclusivity. He promotes diversity, equity, and inclusion for all citizens. Number 6, courage. He stands up for what is right. Number 7, patriotism. He puts the needs of the country and its citizens above personal interests.
Izvezvi patakamira kuno kumwenezi hatigoni nokufara pakunzwa kumashoko okuti president unotungamidza zvido zvavanhu pamoyo wava kuuya, President Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Changofanana nomwenga waperekwa wangomirira gomba muhozi kuti ape madzitezvara vazukuru. Haachahwisisi kuti obata papi nokuti pose pongopisa, kuti abata papopisa, kuti abata papopisa. ndo zvatava isi kuno kumwenezi.
Chingava chinhu chakanaka chose kuti vaNelson Chamisa vanzi vadzoka muzvematongerwo enyika, ende tingazvigamuchira nemufaro nekuti zvingatoita kutoti ZANU-PF mubato rayo indenge nekuti manyanya kuzara vanhu vanoba, vanhu vari kuita uori zviri kudzosera nyika pasi. Vana veZimbabwe vobva vatambura. Kudzoka kwavaChamisa inenge iri tariro chaiyo yekubatanidza vana veZimbabwe kuti varwire nyika, varwire upfumi hwenyika, varwire kuenderera mberi kwenyika, varwire kubudirira kwenyika. Vana vechidiki vawane mabasa, ende vaChamisa ihope kuvana veZimbabwe.
Masikati akanaka muri yeZimbabwe, masikati akanaka. Nhasi nemufaro mukuru kusangana neveCitizen Movement Radio vachinzwawo mashoko kubva kwatiri muchiitiko chatasangana nacho chinodai kufadza nyika yeZimbabwe, kuti baba vaChamisa vachitaura kuti haiwa ndadzoka kuti basa richibatwa nyika ichimira zvakanaka. Saka sesu vana veZimbabwe tine mufaro mukuru zvisingambobviri nekuda kweshoko raPresident Advocate Nelson Chamisa rekuudza nyika kuti haiwa ndadzoka, basa ratanga. Saka kwese kwamuri kumatimana enyika vana veZimbabwe tinongokurudzirana kuti haiwa tibatai basa. Vanga vakagara vava vachiti haiwa hakuna zviriko ndo zvavako, vadzoka mutungamiri wevanhu. Nokuti kana muchiona kudzoka kwavaita chinhu changa chichirongwa ka, nokuti kana chinhu chichirongwa hachingomuki chakanzi mangwana chatonaka chatoibva, ngatipakurepo toyaibva. Haiwa iko zvino ndo pataa kuchienda kunopakura, nokuti mutungamiri adzoka, mutungamiri wevanhu. Nokuti chetinotarisira ndechekuti kana zvatiri kunzwa mashoko evanhu tichifamba vari kuti haiwa matambudziko enyika, kana makanika adzoka kudai nyika yakukanikwa, mawirirano neupfumi, mamiriro wakaita upfumi hwenyika, zvipatara hazvina mishonga, magetsi, nyika haina mvura yakachena, haina vana havasi kufunda zvakakwana, zvikoro zviri kuita fanika wakubhadhara ngozi. Haiwa tinoziva kuti zvose izvozvo zvinopedzwa naye makanika wenyika. Advocate Nelson Chamisa ndo basa rawo, ndo basa ratakavapa sevana veZimbabwe kuti haiwa ndimi chiremba wenyika, tinozviziva zvingarema zvingadini, asi chama muchidika baba tinochitenda kuti taakuenda kumberi, nokuti mumaoko eZANU hakuna kungourawa nekuurayirwa nyika yedu, vanhu vachingofa muzvipatara zvinova zvinorwadza. President Advocate Nelson Chamisa ndo saka vadzoka zvine mutsindo tiri kuvatambira, ende vari kutambirwa nenyika yose nepasi rose kuti chiitai basa baba vaChamisa sinzi vadzoka kudai. Vatsigiri venyu vari kutsigirai nyika yose, tiri kutsigirai president wevanhu, nekuti ndimi akasarudzwa kuti mutungamire nyika yeZimbabwe. Kana ivo Mwari tinotenderana nazvo kuti vanozvitendera izvozvo, ende vachatibatsira pakubata kwenyu kwose. Tichabata nemi tichiinda zvakanaka kuti nyika yedu idzokedzane. Inoda ruoko rusina ropa, runoda ruoko rwakachena, inoda munhu ane mwoyo wokuziva kuti chinonzi kutungamira chii. Chinonzi kutungamira hakusi kutonga vanhu, vanhu vanoda kuzotongwa havo zvina Mwari wavo, kwete zvezano zvokutonga vanhu pano pasi. Ivo vatungamiri vezano vacho vachazotonotongwawo kudenga kuna Mwari. Haiwa tinotenda, tinokugamuchirai Advocate Nelson Chamisa, tinokugamuchirai president wevanhu, tinokugamuchirai president akasarudzwa nevanhu kuti atungamire nyika. Ndatenda.
Ibhanga elikhulu laseZimbabwe iReserve Bank izolo imemezele ukuba ilenhloso zokuba ibhale enye imali yeZig okuza kuqoqela imali eziphezulu ezithi 50 Zig, 100 Zig kanye le200 Zig. Ohlaziya ngezomnotho uEddie Mahembe uthi ukulethwa kwenye imali akuzukuba isisombululo sezomkhonomi esingahambi kuhle elizweni, kanti njalo sokungenza futhi imali yelizwe yehle kakhulu. Uye wakhuthaza uhulumende ukuba alahle ukusebenzisa imali yeziki kusetshenziswe idola. Kusenjalo hlaziya ngezepolitiki uJefferson Chitando uthi isinqumo sebhanga elikhulu sokubhala enye imali siyadida kakhulu ngoba umhlubulo wezwekazi le-Afrika esikuwo kusebenza kakhulu imali yase-South Africa iRand. Ibhanga elikhulu lithi liza kubhala enye imali ukuze kuhlengwe le esidabukile. UChitando uthi ukubhala kwenye imali ye-ZiG kuye kudlalisa izimali zikahulumende ngoba le imali esiyisebenzisayo ye-ZiG amanye amazwe kawayithathi. Ake sizweni uChitando ekhuluma.
The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe announced that they are going to be introducing a stronger new ZiG notes to replace worn-out notes. The biggest question is, how did the ZiG notes get worn out when they were not in circulation in some parts of this country? The southern part, we haven't seen ZiG since its introduction. It is the first of its kind that you hear of a dress or a shirt from a factory being told it's worn out, it needs a tailor to be repaired. The ZiG has never been to the people, it has been in the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. And you surprise us that you want to replace worn out notes which have never been in people's hands. It is important for the people of Zimbabwe to understand that any currency to be in circulation, it needs people's confidence. People have got to have faith in that currency. The southern parts of Zimbabwe, it seems as though they have been divorced from the RBZ monetary policies, and they are married to the Rand, because the Rand is the one which is in circulation, whether it is in the rural areas, it is in the urban, whether talking of shops, combis, wherever, or even the vegetable vendors, they only accept the Rand, not the ZiG. So if the RBZ is going to print stronger currency, it means they are printing it for the people in Harare, not this other side. And also they are using foreign currency. They are using the US dollar to print the money which is not accepted by the people. So it's a mere waste of time and resources which could be used for other important areas like health and education.
Isitolo esikhulu kakhulu eZimbabwe iFood Lovers Market kukhangelelwe ukuba sivale ezinye izitolo zazo ezimbili esise-Avondale kanye lePoroteli mhla zingama-22 lamhla zingama-80 kuyona le inyanga. Selokhu kwaqala umnyaka izitolo eziningi ziyavala ngenxa yesimo somnotho esingahambi kuhle elizweni, imithelo ephezulu kanye lemali ye-ZiG engasebenzi kuhle. Sokulokwesaba ezakhamizini ukuba ilizwe liza kubuyela njalo kusimo somkhonomi ongahambi kuhle esasifana lomnyaka ka-2008 ngaphansi kobuthungameli buka-Emmerson Mnangagwa. Isiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo kanti njalo wayemela iPhelandaba Tshabalala edale lePhalamende umhlonitshwa uGift Siziba uthi enye yezimpumelelo ezinkulu kakhulu ezilethwe ngumthungameli webandla eliphikisayo uMongameli uNelson Chamisa yikuletha umdlozela wokuthanda ezepolitiki ebantwini abasha. Uye waba lengxoxo lentatheli izindaba eyaziwa kakhulu uTrevor Ncube. uSiziba uthi benelisile ukuba balethe ukuthanda ipolitiki kubontanga. Ake simzweni ekhuluma.
What in your view have been the biggest victory so far that you have scored?
I think that our biggest victory is to allow young people to participate in the politics of our country. When President Tsvangirai passed away, may he so rest in power, we were some of the people who were very publicly supporting the emergency of a generation of younger people so that we motivate our colleagues in universities to understand that the fight has to go beyond bones and soup in colleges to the political questions of the day. So I think that our biggest victory was to allow young people to see the need for them to contribute in the politics. Fundamentally in 2018 and up to 2023, I think young people began to be interested in the politics of our country. The 2023 outcome showed that the coming in of younger people in parliament, in local government, I think to some extent we contributed to that, interest in young people to participate, because most people think that politics is dirty, it's for older people. So that intergenerational mix, that how do we harvest from your wisdom and knowledge in the trenches, Trevor, into the next generation. So instead of being two separate generations, how do we bring intergenerational conversation so that we take from what you have done as a generation and advance it forward and correct what has not been done correctly. So for me, I think that has been the biggest victory in terms of.
Sewedlule iminyaka emibili sasuka ekhethweni owebandla eliphikisayo kanti njalo elilunga ledale lePhalamende eKaripa umhlonitshwa uShine Kwangwaba uyenza izithembiso zakhe lezi azenza ngesikhathi kuzayiwa ekhethweni. Umhlonitshwa uKwangwaba uthi uletha intuthuko esabelweni sakhe kanti njalo usebenzisana labaphathi bezigaba. Ake sizweni uKwangwaba ekhuluma.
As a member of parliament, since my inauguration, I've managed to try and present some issues at parliament. Some of the issues, such as the network issue, we are working on it. Some network towers have been erected, even though some of them have not reached the completion level. Some clinics are being built in some parts of Kariba rural area. We also want to thank ZESA through RIA for electrifying some rural parts of Kariba. But it is my wish for the marginalized community to receive electricity from hydro power station in Kariba rather than receiving the thermal powered one. I'm also advocating for the maintenance of roads, even though it takes time for Parliament to approve some of the projects. As we speak, we have an issue of human-wildlife conflict. A lot of people have been trampled down by elephants, some killed by crocodiles. But I will keep on fighting, trying to advocate for the betterment of the people of Nyaminyami. People of Nyaminyami, also, they've got a lot of issues that they think they are being shortchanged since 1980. But as a member of parliament, I will continue to fight for the rights of the youth to get opportunities in colleges, 50-50 equality between men and women. I want to assure the people of Kariba, if we work together, we will achieve, and united we stand, divided we fall.
Omunye wababhali bephephandaba le-The Mirror uMatthew Takaona oboshwe izolo ngemva kokuba etholakale ecenta utshani eGutu uye wakhitshwa namhlanje engazange etheswe amacala. Iphephandaba le-The Mirror lisiphe imininingwana yokuba uTakaona uboshelwe ukuba akazange azise ikhansila lakuleli ndawo ngenhloso yakhe yokucenta eceleni komgwaqo. uTakaona kubikwa uye wahlukunyezwa njalo ilabo abasebenza ku-CIO abambophileyo. Ikomishina ekhangela ngamalungelo abantu kwele Zimbabwe, iZimbabwe Human Rights Commission, isiveze ukuba kulokwephulwa kwamalungelo abantu okwesabekayo eHarare Remand Prison, okugoqela ukugcwalisa abantu endaweni eyodwa, ukuncishwa ukuba bathole ezempilakahle, kanye lokungaphathwa kahle kweziboshwa. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuba kuhloliwe ngemva kokuboshwa kukaNozindaba uBlessed Mhlanga kanye labanye abahlanganela kwezepolitiki. Ikomishina le ithole ukuba abanengi ababoshiweyo benqatshelwa ukuba babhale imihloliso yabo yaseyunivesithi, kanti njalo abanengi sebevalelwe kakhulu isikhathi eside bengakuthonisiswanga amacala abo. Lokho sokulethe ukukhathazeka. Inhlanganiso yeZimbabwe Human Rights Commission iye yaveza njalo ukuba abanengi ababoshiweyo bahlukuluzwa yilabo ababophayo, kanti njalo akula kuxoxisana ngocingo kwababoshwa kanye lezimuli zabo. Idolobho lakoBulawayo selivimbe izimota ezithwele imithwalo emikhulu ukuba zingangeni phakathi kwedolobho lakoBulawayo. Kusaziso sabo abasikhiphe ngomvulo mhla 2 kuNhlolanja, iziphathamandla zedolobho ziye zaveza ezinye zezindlela okumele bazisebenzise abashayeli nxa bevela eHarare kumbe besiya khona. Lezi mota ezivela eVictoria Falls, ePlumtree kanye leGwanda lalezo ezibhekise eBelmont Industrial Area. uProsper Vanubawone lo bezenza udokotela esibhedlela sempilo kanye le-United Bulawayo Hospitals utholakale lamacala amathathu okukhwabanisa lokuzenza udokotela. Inkantolo kaMantshi yakoBulawayo yethule isinqumo lesi mhla 3 kuNhlolanja, kanti njalo ukhangelelwe ukuba agwetshwe mhla 4 kuyona le inyanga njalo nguMantshi uEva Mathura. Uye wethula ukuzisola uVanubawone lo wathe wenziwe isimo somphakathi, kanti njalo lomdlozela ukuba aqedise izifundo zakhe zokuba ngudokotela ngokusemthethweni. Izakhamizi zaseChitungwiza seziveze ukudana ngeziphathamandla zekhansilini ezehluleka ukuba zilungisise isimo samanzi agelezayo ezitradini avela emathoyilethi njalo engcolile. Ezinye zezakhamizi zithi ikhansila ilaso isifiso sokuba ilungisise lolu daba. Abantu abahlala eChitungwiza sebebaningi kakhulu, kanti amaphayiphi athwala la amanzi asesandelwa, lokhu okwenza kuhlale kudubukile endaweni eziningi. Ibandla eliphikisayo kwele South Africa iMK imemezele ukususwa kukaFloyd Shivambu esikhundleni sakhe sokuba ngunobhala jikelele ngemva kokumethesa amacala okungalandeli izinqumo zaleli bandla lapho evakashele kwele Malawi. uShivambu uye wayahlanganela enkonzweni kaShepherd Bushiri iJesus Nation Church. uBushiri ungomunye wabantu abadingakalayo elizweni leSouth Africa esolwa ngamacala okukhwabanisa. Umqeqeshi weqembu lama-Warriors uMichael Nice usephoqelelwe ukuba enze utshintsho kwiqembu lakhe eliza kudlala imidlalo yokuzwisisana phakathi kwamazwe athi Burkina Faso leNiger kuyona le nyanga. Odlalela iqembu leSuperSport United uTerence Sukamanja uza kungena emidlalweni lapho ethatha indawo kaPrince Dube lo olimeleyo. Odlalela iqembu leHighlanders uMason Mushore laye usebiziwe ukuba azodlala ethatha indawo kaRichard Hachiro lo owengeza platinum laye olimeleyo. Ukuziphetha lezi indaba kumsakazo weCitizens Movement Radio nanze bezihamba phambili. Izizalwane zaseZimbabwe eziphila ngaphandle kwelizwe sesicele umongameli welizwe le-United Kingdom ukuba avimbe uAuxillius Mnangagwa ukungena leli lizwe. Ukuza kwesibili, izakhamizi sezikhangelele ukuphenduka kukamongameli uChamisa. Ingcweshi ziphawula ngesinqumo sebhanga elikhulu sokubhala enye imali yeZIG. Siziphetha lapha lezi indaba.